Kakenhuan kinohikai hapok kalama jong ke Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association haka arfulai trek menai weng kala berengam balada ke sorkar jela kamlei ai ya gijing dawa jong ke seng hapok kalai po trek menai weng kanai ujor shki yang kasari Meghalaya High Court na gebenta bandawai ka hok jong inohikai u presiden ka Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association uba Aristotle Rembai ulang ba ke sorkar jela kala penken ga kendon jong ka RTE Act arhajar kendai bat keseng kala aipor artayo ke sorkar jela kata naduk kalai potrik menai wieng ban pen urlong ya kimat jengdawa balara ke sorkar jela kamle ai kini ujor syak yang syari Meghalaya High Court Nalor kini ulah dawa bagi sorkar jela kedeban pelat no ya kepisah ke basis pa asau keluar tengka syaka office jong state project director kenang ban lak ban pelat no ikutulap basan benai jong ki khat arajar san spa asau puingut kino hikai SSA hak jela Ulong bagi sorkar jela kelayo kene kepisah nang sorkar pedeng hendrai haduk menta kim syim layo satya ya ketulap Unong ilam kinohikai SSA ulong bak sorkar jela mentalalai snem kampat pelaj ekapisa basis pa asau keluar tengka Shaka State Implementation Society. Bad ula bu jengkeli babalai ke sorkar jela kam pelaj ikan kepisa. Kenang bak office jong ke State Project Director kan yo abansio kutulap san benai jong kinohikai. Ha kawai pat kaliang kinong hikai bat kinong ilam jong kani keseng kinohikai SSA kala penrem jor ya kejingkran Menteri Rangba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma bakamla ban itu purano ikino hikai SSA namar bagade ke program jong ke sorkar pedeng. Uba Aristotle ulong bakat kum ka kendon jong ke SSA ha kapara san point pra la kedau syai bagajing tongkam bat kiwi gejing don kam kino hikai kide hapok gejing pet jong ke sorkar jela bat ke sorkar pedeng kan ai jingkersan pisa kat kum ka kendon jong ke skim. Ulong bagi jingkran Menteri Rangba kelong babakla bat kani keseng kadawa no Menteri Rangba kejela bu udai ban sei ban pensisha de kikot kisla halor ke jingkran jong u halor kani kebenta
bahwa kani ke flagship lani ke SSA program yaka lasdang da ka central government halor ki norms ya kiba ngila ban yo lut par khoj na ka RTE Act 2009. Te Henry ka balingo apat. Hapo ka RTE Act halor bala dep lut ban pruit dak yak tiki norms. Ba UCM jongi un ai yak ni ki kentin ka balong bet. Ka kentin ka ba ai shock yak no hikai jongi borok ka wei ka jela. Nomor ba balai ngina kalian kino hikai iwe haman ki school Haman leki managing committee ngidon ya ki RTE Act ya kabala ai da ka office jong district subdivisional education department ma SDSEO na ka office jong SDSEO te halor kane ba habangi pet ha ya ka jingkren jong isa ha ka sengi kalalong tip kumba hadian jong kaneka ayom hau ahajar arpunriu kumbangela ya chakmat na kirali lane kumbangela yakren chakmat imat ba hangneru ka government imat kala amut banbu sideline ni suki tikal bu jingma hakabayde batni kinong hikai SSA borok away hapok kajela
in chapter 5 para 5.8 chapter 5 para 5.8a it's clearly stated that the recruitment and other service matter of teachers are under the domain of states government, and the central government is only to provide financial support as per the scheme's norm. Here, as per this para, it is clearly mentioned that it is the duty of the state government regarding the recruitment and the service matter of the SSA teachers. Added to this, it is also mentioned that there will be no separate teachers as sanctioned by the state. Rather, all teachers are ultimately the responsibility of the state government. Again, this also have made very clear that the teachers who appoint under SSA is totally the responsibility of the state government, whereas the central government is the duty of the central government is to only to provide financial support as per available fund that is also as per the scheme's norm. So we from the association side, after seeing the statement of the Honorable Chief Minister on 17 November 2021, last Saturday we have called an emergency GEC and in that GEC we have taken a resolution that we totally oppose and strongly oppose the statement made by the Honorable Education Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, because this statement is baseless and it is not based on facts and figure. Okay. Added to that, we cannot, and his statement is not acceptable by us.
Okay. But kani kaching bukpo jungi kan kud hakalai peuterik jong 9 November this year. Te hadin jong kalai peuterik jong 9 November radangim yo kanu ka positive response na kaliang jong state government kumbang ila rai tingin approach ya ka Meghalaya High Court na bentaban yo ya ka